Welcome back to the channel, Motor Mr. DF. Today we're diving into one of the most extravagant and futuristic concepts ever imagined in the world of luxury vehicles, the Mercedes-Benz Land Yacht Motorhome Concept 2026, also known as the ultimate luxury mobile mansion. This is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace designed to redefine what it means to travel in comfort and style. From the moment you lay eyes on this massive truck-based mansion, it's clear that Mercedes has pushed the boundaries of engineering, design, and luxury living. Starting with the exterior, the Land Yacht combines the robust power of a Mercedes-Benz truck chassis with the elegance of a high-end mansion. Its towering structure features multiple floors, classic architectural details, arched windows, and even miniature balconies. Despite its size, the design is sleek, modern, and aerodynamically optimized to ensure a smooth drive. Every element, from the LED lighting to the sculpted body panels, is carefully crafted to convey sophistication and strength. Inside, the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. This concept offers spacious living areas, fully equipped kitchens, master bedrooms, and entertainment zones that rival luxury hotels. Premium materials, such as polished wood, leather, and marble, are used throughout, ensuring both comfort and elegance. Advanced smart home technology controls lighting, climate, and entertainment systems, making it fully adaptable to the owner's preferences. Safety and performance are also a priority, with a high-torque Mercedes engine capable of effortlessly hauling this massive mobile mansion while maintaining stability and control. While this is a concept, the estimated price of the Mercedes-Benz Land Yacht Motorhome Concept 2026 is projected to be well over $2 million, positioning it as one of the most exclusive and luxurious vehicles ever imagined. For those who want to travel without compromising style, space, or technology, this Land Yacht truly represents the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply